Hi guys, it's been a while. Anyway, I just wanted to share this look with you. I got the Anastasia Riviera Palette and I just wanted to finally come home and try it before I laid it down. I am dead tired, very long day, but it's been a while since you guys have seen me, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial and let's get started. Okay, I look a hot mess, that's okay. So I've already put on my moisturizer and my under eye cream because I just wanted to kind of skip over those steps. It's not important. We just want to get to the look, and I really don't have a rhyme or reason for this yet. So, but if you want to know, I used Origin's Original Skin. I have a cough drop in my mouth, guys. I just all of a sudden had this cough attack. But I really like it. I have super dry skin, but it's really hydrating and it kind of gives like a blurred effect afterwards. So it's really kind of cool that way. And then I used my Confidence in an eye cream by It. Just a little bit underneath the eye. I've had some allergy issues. The weather's been wacky here. My hair is a mess. I figured I'd just pull it back and then figure out what I can do afterwards. I'm going to use my Makeup Forever palette. This one is number 40. I love this Pro palette. I've used it a million times. To just get started underneath the eyes. This is one of I got the Jeffree Star palette, or not the palette, I'm sorry. I got the Jeffree Star kit of sponges. I don't typically really like the little tiny sponges like this, but they came in a pack. I'm gonna take my MAC, this is my MAC Pro palette, this is a Pro Conceal palette, and this is the medium palette, and I'm gonna be using NW35 on my eyes. And it's so crazy because I haven't done things this way in years. I just kind of went back to this practice with this concealer type. My skin is so dry. I don't know, over the years I've kind of preferred liquid concealers. But I don't know, lately this one has been, or these textures have been settling into my skin a lot better. These two are very close in shade. I just find that the Makeup Forever one is a little bit smoother, so underneath my eye it's a little bit softer. Okay. So my eyebrows, as I've said in other videos, are microbladed. So I did go ahead and get the Anastasia, the new Dip Brow Gel, just to kind of see. But I honestly don't typically use things like this. They always end up being like a little bit too much, but since I just want to kind of fill in the brow hair, I just wanted to give this a go. I actually like it. It's like not too much product is coming off on the spoolie, which is rare. And I want to keep these kind of natural. I don't know if I want to do like a full beat brow yet. I'll kind of figure that out as we go along. But I do like the texture, and if you want, it's still like your dip brow texture. So if you're not comfortable with the spoolie, or you don't like the outcome of the spoolie, you can still take like an angle brush and take a little bit of the product off like that and kind of fill in that area to make it a little bit more refined. here's the palette, guys. I haven't even opened it yet. I actually picked it up immediately thinking I was gonna do this tutorial so fast for you guys, and life just doesn't allow for that. I can't even get into that. There's just so much going on sometimes. Okay, so it's gorgeous. I don't know what direction I'm gonna go. Sorry if if my eyes start watering, guys. I apologize. Like this coughing, my allergies, it's just a mess. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with I'm gonna start with Cabana. It's this yellow color right here. It's kind of like a mustard color. I always like starting with those colors. They're great transitions. Great transitions on brown skin. So let's go ahead and try Coastline, which is that right next to it. It's more of a peachy tone. Takes a little, there's pigment. I mean, they're pigmented. I think they're always pigmented. It's just taking a little bit of build, and but I would say I used a really flesh tone, you know, base and utilizing the concealer. So I would say if you use something a little bit more bright, I guess like Painterly Paint Pot or Soft Ochre or something like that, the payoff is going to be considerably different. I'm going to try this blue. I'm going to try the Seashells, that turquoise right there. I'm going to try it, and if I need to wet it, then we'll wet it. Okay. I'm just doing that right here and here. I have a different plan for the outer third. You don't need to wet it, you can. I think foiling it will be beautiful. Bring that up a little bit. My eyelids are really small, so I have to kind of lift the lid high or lift the color higher to make my eyes look larger. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take, this is Palm right here. It's a dark brown. So I'm gonna see what this loose highlighter looks like. I got all three of them, but this one is So Hollywood, and it is more of a, let's see, I want to say it's a gold, but it's like a softer, yeah, it's more like a highlight gold than a gold coin gold, I guess. So let's take a little bit of that. And let's do, I'm gonna do a little bit of that Palm again. Oh, not what I don't even know where I am. I'm so tired. As long as they ever. My job right now, guys, the stress is real. I mean, if I didn't think somebody was watching me, I would spill my guts about. Ugh. Anyway, I'm gonna use my Mineralize Skinfinish in Medium Golden by MAC. I'm hitting pan. Always like my solid go-to. It's so funny because I can really see the highlight in the center of my face on the camera, but when I'm looking like right here in the mirror, nada. So what I'm loving right now, I just got this the other day. It's from the Morphe collection, the Glamabronze. This one is Glamabronze. Hello. Glamabronze and Megastar. This is like the medium of the three. So I got the two, there's three, I got the two darkest shades. So there is a shade up from this. And just, yes, go right there. And I am very, very soft. I have a very, very light touch. So I'm conscious of how much product a brush can pick up and how the pressure is on somebody's hand. So this can pick up a lot of product. So even though you're seeing probably a lot of color in the screen, and really not picking up a lot. This is actually it's a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. And I'm gonna take this brush and then I'm just gonna go give a little shadow. I don't really like to shape my nose. I like my nose. I just like to give a little bit of shape and contour back to the face. That does not require a lot. I'm not trying to reshape my face all the time. Loving this brush. This brush is by Makeup Forever, by the way. I love this brush. Multi-use. So I'm gonna actually use this to dust that highlight on a little bit. I won't overdo it. I think I'm just going to use these Ardell 110s. They are nice and light. Even though the colors are a little brighter, I mean, it's not like a full drag look or anything. I want to keep the lashes a little bit lighter because sometimes when we put on bright colors and then we use these huge lashes, it kind of eats away at all the work you did. And so that defeats the purpose. I've got a couple options here. I think I'm just gonna go, oh, I got this beautiful color. So I'm gonna use this Chocoholic liner by Midnight. This one is called Mural. It's by Melt. It is one of my favorite colors. I actually wore it on my wedding day. It's kind of an orangey tone to it. You okay, Jack Jack? And the reason why I dig it so much is because number one, it stays. But with this liner, it kind of gives an ombre effect. It's almost like, you know, I guess if you're gonna do like marina or a watery look, you want something that's kind of like the sunshine. I've got this pack that I've never used of Anastasia glosses, so I think I'm gonna go with whatever one I can get out of the container. Pink Tourmaline. Pink Tourmaline. I always have like a weird hollow in my cheek where my dimples are. And then finally, sometimes I put mascara on you for my lashes and sometimes I don't. It just depends on the lashes. I don't think it really matters, guys. I like my lashes to curl into the I like my lashes to curl into the false lashes. But everybody's different. A lot of people, and it just depends. It just depends, but it doesn't really matter to me. I'm not messy with my lashes, so I'm using my Kevin O'Coin honey. So anyway, guys, this is a look. I hope that you like it. Hope that you like it. And I will see you on the next go round. Bye.